There's a home by the white Avonmore that will sweep o'er the broad open sea, and wide rivers where waves wash ashore, and bulrushes they wave to the breeze, where the green ivy clings round the door, and the birds sweetly sing on each tree. Oh, my darling, they're tuning their notes, the siren need notes and key. One eve as I happened to stray by the lands that were bordering mine, oh, a young girl I saw on my way, and she left me to languish and pine. Oh, the slave of the charm and the mane, and the silver-toned voice of the day. Oh, to see her eyes led o'er the glen, is the heron need no cave. Like the sick man that longs for the dawn, I do long for the light of her smile, and I pray for my own Colleen Bawn while I'm waiting for her by the stile. Oh, I'd climb all the hills of the land, and I'd swim all the depths of the sea, get one touch from her lily-white hand, is the heron he knows and I have toiled all the years of my life through storms, sunshine and rain, and surely would venture my life for to shield her one moment from pain. For she be my comfort in life, oh, my comfort and joy she may be. She's my own, she is my promised wife, and for Ireland I'll not tell her name. When I will call her my own, and it's married we both then will be, like the king and the queen on their throne, we'll be living in sweet unity. Oh, it's then I'll have a home of my own, and I'll rear up a nice family. Oh, it's then that her name it will be known as Heron he knows the king. And for Ireland